Hi folks, my name's Eric Kirkpatrick again, and what I want to talk to you about today is the importance of medical documentation in your workers' compensation claim. I think I may have spoken about this before, but one of the big issues that arises in workers' compensation claims is something called causation. Causation refers to the fact that in any workers' compensation case, we have to be able to prove that the injury that you've suffered, the condition you have after the injury, is causally related to the injury that you had at work. Now, a lot of times that's easy. Sometimes it's not. And sometimes it's not simply because the client has come into my office without having told their doctor what happened to them for whatever reason, or without giving a full history of their work, what they experienced at work, and what may have caused their problem. So, first thing, if you're injured at work and you go see your doctor, not the insurance company's doctor, when you go see your doctor, make sure that you tell that doctor everything about your injury. Now, he won't need to know that you woke up that morning and had a cup of coffee and your cereal. He'll just want to focus on what you experienced that day, what happened to you during your traumatic accident, and explain to the doctor exactly what parts of your body were hurt. Two things about this. One thing is, if you don't explain everything that is hurting, 3 months down the road, when that body part is still hurting and you go back and explain it to the doctor, or more significantly, expect the workers' compensation insurance carrier to pay for it, they're going to look back at that first medical note to see what you reported as being injured in your accident. If it's not there, you're asking for a dispute. The second thing is sometimes, and more often now than what I have ever seen before, people are going to the doctors after the accident and not even reporting their accident. They're not even telling the doctor that they were hurt at work. Why do they do this? Most of the time they're trying to protect their employer from having a workers' compensation case, or the employer has said to them, hey, look, if you don't turn this in as a workers' compensation case, I'll take care of it out of my pocket. 99 out of 100 times, that does not work. People are in my office with issues created because an employer lied to them, or they were trying to do a favor to the employer. The next thing is, when we talk about the importance of medical documentation, it's not just that first time you go to the doctor, though that is one of the most important aspects, but every time you see a new doctor specifically. So for example, if your primary care doctor refers you to an orthopedic surgeon, don't just assume that your primary care doctor has given all of the information to your surgeon, to the specialist that you're seeing. Make sure this doctor is informed of everything that you've already told the primary care physician. That's super important. Not only does it help the doctor, the specialist, know what he might be looking for and how to treat you, but it also makes your case go much more smoothly because everything is consistent. Just make sure you tell the doctors all the right stuff. Thank you. My name's Eric Kirkpatrick at Kirkpatrick Law Offices, Swansea, Illinois. Thanks.